After doing something she never thought she would ever do, Lindiwe teaches Mnqobi a lesson he will never forget. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 28th to the 1st of April 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe finds Mnqobi in a compromising situation and Cobra doesn't know who to trust on Tuesday. Lindiwe finds herself more and more pulled into a dangerous web while Zoli's investigation moves him closer to the truth. The Angelina moves Pillar to post to get Cobra to forgive her on Wednesday. Zoli is on his last lap of life while Lindiwe makes a choice she never thought she would make on Thursday. Lindiwe prepares to teach Mnqobi a lesson and Cobra makes a decision that affects his and Angelina's future on Friday. It's a big day at the Mokoena house, but someone goes missing in the midst of all the joy. Zoli takes a stance that leaves Lindiwe stand. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.